One, I want to create this video to just show you some HyperDoc basics. So how you can take a plain Google Doc, add links to it, and then make it a more interactive learning experience for your students. It's a great way to share your resources. So I'm doing mine in a plain Google Doc. You can also do it in Google Slides. Some people prefer that. In fact, sometimes I do. So I'm going to start by making my table. I like to organize my items that way, and I'm going to just size my rows by hand, and then just going to make three quick tables. So, and for this one, I'm just going to make games to play, task to do, and videos to watch. I mean, obviously you can organize this yourself, but I'm going to show you the tips for each of these things. So if it's a website that you want to have it pretty easily, you can just copy the URL for the website. Maybe you want them to play on Starfall, and then go over here, click into where you want that to happen, and up here you have this insert link. Paste the link in and then type the text that you want it to say. So play Starfall 120. If I could type. And there you go. And now that's perfectly linkable. So if you want to give them a task, sometimes you want to attach a separate task. So for example, I have here this copy of some greater than less than practice. Now it's important that you look up here at the share settings for these kinds of documents if you're going to embed them. So you're going to go up to share, and you're going to have to add advanced and change the settings to anyone public on the web, anybody with the link, anyone with the link, because it'll be HyperDoc, and you're going to want this to be can view because you're going to want them to make a copy and save it. And then you can copy the link for that and do basically the same thing. Insert a link, paste it in there. Now, one trick for this is that it's hard because they'll get a view only copy and they'll need to go to file, make a copy. You can also change it so that it forces a copy. So you're going to edit the link, and this takes some searching, but here it says edit, and you can just type in copy where it says edit there. And now when they get the link, it says copy document, and you automatically have to make a copy of it. Finally, if you want to share a video, I just have a quick tip. Obviously, putting a link in is easy now because you've seen it 2 times. But I want to show you a little tip that I like is that I don't like ads, and I don't like the extra YouTube videos, and I don't want anything to pop up that I don't want. So I use a tool called ViewPure. So I'm going to copy the URL, and I'm going to open ViewPure, and I'm going to paste in the URL, and it will purify my video. And so that it is just the video with no other stuff there. And then I go up here and I do it like this rather than you can create an account and actually do some other things with it. But for simpleness, you can just go right before that question mark, copy it, and use that. And then, of course, you can add tasks to do with that video if you wanted. And let's make that a link and apply it. And then they will go straight to the pure screen. So hopefully that helps you get started on your hyperdocking journey. I'll try to post some more with some extra tips and tricks for you.